Hey guys, this is Megapixel Pro and welcome to the review of the Zebronics ZepSound True Wireless earphones. These headphones have a polycarbonate body with a matte finishing. These headphones have an in-ear design and an L pocket small size. Though these earphones have an MRP of Rs 2699, but these are retailing at just Rs 1600 on Amazon. These earphones have a battery life of up to 18 hours with the charging case. These earphones come with a wireless stereo sound, Bluetooth 5.0 and a playback time of 6 hours. These earphones supports Type-C charging. The Zebronics ZepSound Bomb earphones are pretty lightweight, they are not too big and I find the size perfect for this design. And in terms of design, I prefer always the in-ear earphones which are more comfortable than the regular earbuds such as the Realme Buds Air which are not that comfortable. The size of the charging case is also very good and you can easily carry it in your pocket as well. Pairing these earphones is very simple. You just have to take out the buds from the charging case and they will appear in your Bluetooth enabled device list. These earphones are compatible with both Android and Apple devices. About the sound quality, I have tested these earphones for quite some time, and before we talk about the sound quality, I have to be honest here that these earphones are really comfortable. They give us a stuck fit which makes them comfortable for workout, and that is why they can be easily used while sleeping too. Now about the sound performance, you get good bass, not too high or not too low, but you get perfect bass for music, especially for watching movies and videos. The sound is loud and clear and I have noticed there are no distortions even at high volume. So overall for sound performance, these earphones sound pretty good, but do not expect high bass from them, but in my taste, I found these earphones capable for watching videos and listening to music. The touch controls are also good and the response is fast. You have a long press at the top to switch on or off the earphones, you have a single touch to pause and play tracks, double tap to change songs, and a long press at the stem to activate Google Assistant or Siri. These earbuds also come with the call function and the microphone is pretty decent and it can also take calls in stereo. These earbuds also come with the call function and the microphone is pretty decent and it can also take calls in stereo. So overall Zebronics ZepSound Bomb is a pretty decent package. In the price range of 1800 rupees, you're getting good looking earbuds which are comfortable and offers good battery backup as well as a sound performance. The touch features are also fine and you also get the auto connect feature, which means when you take them out of the charging case, they will auto pair with the last device, and similarly they will disconnect automatically when you put them back in the case. Talking about the things which are missing in the earbuds are the auto play and pause feature. They do not support play or pause when you take out the earbuds out of your ear. And guys, if you're looking for in-ear designed true wireless earbuds which performs and looks good, then you can definitely consider them, especially at this price range. As usual, if you like it and want to buy them, then do check the buy link in the description below. Okay guys, so these were the Zebronics ZepSound Bomb. Let us know if you like them and also do tell us if you buy these earphones in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then do press the like button and consider subscribing Megapixel Pro for more such videos. Till then, peace.